I think I have found the coolest ring light for photo and video, coming right up. How's it going, guys? My name is Andre. Welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, this channel is all about photography, videography, business, and the creative life. If you're looking for tips and tricks on how to expand your career, gear reviews such as this one, as well as behind the scenes, this is the channel for you. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more content. Now, today we're doing a little gear review on one of the coolest little budget ring lights that I have found that I've been using lately for photo and video, and it has been phenomenal. So this right here is the GVM 600S. GVM is a great video maker. They're all over Amazon. This is quite budget friendly, and it has been fantastic for video for me so far. Now, the GVM is a very great budget option for anyone looking to do photo and video, especially right now with TikTok. It's super fantastic, and it only comes in Canada at about $190, $200. So in the States, that comes out to around $150, so the links will be down below. Before you even go check out those links, make sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, because it would really help me out a lot, and it will be able to help me continue with this channel. Now, this light is fantastic for a couple of different reasons. One, it comes with a cute little fancy carrying case. It's super nice and tiny. The package is very small, so you'll be able to virtually take it with you anywhere. It's very compact. It comes with a tripod. It is AC powered. Do keep that in mind. However, it is quite bright. So at the lowest power setting, this is it at its lowest power setting. It is also variable temperature, so you can go from a colder and a warmer tone, just so you can get the exact look that you want in your videos. So right here, it's about 90 LEDs all throughout the kit, and it does get quite bright. So this is at its lower power setting, and we're going to crank it up to as bright as it gets, and you can see that it's actually quite powerful. Some people in the reviews have mentioned that maybe it's not powerful enough for them, but I think this is actually quite overkill, right? Unless you're shooting in a complete dark scenario, in a dark situation, this will do more than enough. So this is off. I'll bring it right here, and now let's kind of, if you click the button in the back, we can change the color temperature. So now we went very warm, then we go very cool daylight color right there. Tap the button back again, crank the power, change temperature, and there you have it. It's quite a neat little camera. Like, now, what I have been really loving about this one, it creates some fantastic catch lights with all of these like spring arms, like looking like a sunflower. It creates some really wicked catch lights, and that's fantastic. Now, the beauty of this thing is that it also comes with a bracket, so you don't need multiple tripods. It comes with a bracket so you can mount your camera. The ring light is large enough so that you can fit basically any lens. I fit my 85mm right through here. You can fit your phone, no problem. However, the coolest thing about these is that it is detachable. So like I said, the beauty about this is that it is detachable. All of the little arms, you can actually take them off, and it creates a really cool effect because you can also connect these with additional AC power cords that are supplied, so you can kind of have wands of light. Now, depending on your surroundings, you can potentially turn these into hair lights, right? You can turn them into hair lights or another fill light, depending on the way you are shooting. So this creates a very versatile system for anyone looking to add this to their arsenal, to their video creation, and it's very, very, very handy. Okay, everyone, so I decided that I will be putting the ring light into action right now. This whole video is being lit by the ring light. You can probably see it in my eyes, the catch lights. I'm using a Tamron 28-75 at 50mm. So you can see how great and flattering and the soft this light actually looks, because the spread that it has through its wands kind of creates a softbox type effect, and it works fantastic for video. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you guys that you can even use this for photo. You can see how this is working for video, but I'm gonna take a couple of photos of myself just because I'm liking this hoodie and I feel really good today. So we're gonna do that as well. Gonna take a couple of photos just so you guys can see the final results on how the light works. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do check out this light. It is budget friendly, it's quite cheap, affordable for anyone looking to get into content creation, looking to do reels or TikTok, YouTube videos, whatever it might be. I will be continuing to use this light for my YouTube videos because it's just super simple to set up. I don't need to worry about soft boxes. I don't need to worry about huge light stands. I can just connect my camera to it and just makes my life so much easier. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys into the next one. Take care.